Manufacturing is changing rapidly, evolving with each passing day. Companies need every advantage to succeed in this competitive landscape. Material requirements. Planning, or MRP, was a significant step forward in the evolution of manufacturing, but now there's something even better: manufacturing resource planning, or MRP-II, which takes things to the next level. MRP-II is more than just software, it's an integrated approach to managing manufacturing processes. It's a powerful system for managing every part of your factory, from raw materials to finished products. MRP-II helps you make the right products with precision and efficiency. You make them at the right time, ensuring timely delivery to meet market demands. And you use your resources wisely, optimizing every aspect of production. This means less waste and more profit, contributing to a sustainable and profitable operation. Many companies are adopting MRP-II. They see the benefits and the transformative impact it brings. MRP-II helps you plan for the future with greater accuracy and confidence. You can see potential problems before they happen, allowing for proactive measures. This allows you to adjust and stay ahead of the competition, maintaining a competitive edge. MRP-II is a powerful tool for any manufacturing business, driving efficiency and success in the modern era. At the heart of MRP-II are three key elements that drive efficiency and precision in manufacturing. First, we have the Bill of Materials, or BOM. This is a comprehensive list that details every component and raw material required. Think of it as a recipe. It lists every single part needed to make your product, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Next comes the Master Production Schedule, or MPS. This is the backbone of your production planning. This schedule tells you what you're making, how much and when. It aligns production with demand. Finally, MRP-II uses a three-step process to streamline operations. First, it figures out what materials you need, ensuring you have the right quantities. Then, it calculates when to order them, optimizing timing to avoid delays. Lastly, it helps you track everything from raw materials to finished goods, maintaining visibility and control. These core elements work together seamlessly, integrating every aspect of production. This ensures your factory runs smoothly, with minimal disruptions and maximum efficiency. Imagine a factory floor without feedback. Chaos would ensue. MRP-II understands this. That's why it has a built-in feedback mechanism. This system constantly monitors what's happening. Is production ahead of schedule? Are there any material shortages? The feedback mechanism alerts you to problems. You gain real-time insights into your operations. This allows you to make quick decisions and keep things running smoothly. The feedback mechanism is crucial for efficiency. It transforms MRP-II from a static plan into a dynamic tool. Section 4. Resource Scheduling Balancing Act. Imagine a juggler at a circus. They keep multiple objects in the air. Resource scheduling in MRP-II is similar. It's about allocating your resources effectively. This includes machines, manpower, and time. Proper resource scheduling prevents bottlenecks. It ensures that every part of your production process is in sync. However, resource scheduling can be complex. Factors like machine downtime and material availability need to be considered. MRP-II helps you manage these complexities. Section 5. Batching Rules. Finding the right mix. How much should you produce at once? That's where batching rules come in. These rules help determine the optimal quantity for production runs. The lot-for-lot rule is straightforward. You produce exactly what's needed. The economic batch quantity, EBQ rule, minimizes inventory costs. Part period cover balances setup costs with inventory holding costs. Choosing the right batching rule is crucial. It impacts both efficiency and profitability. Section 6. MRP-II, the future of manufacturing. This section delves into the transformative potential of MRP-II systems. MRP-II is more than just a passing trend. It's a revolutionary approach that redefines how we think about production. It's the future of manufacturing, bringing unprecedented efficiency and precision. Its impact goes beyond the factory floor, influencing every aspect of the production process. It integrates seamlessly with other business functions like finance and sales, creating a unified system. This integration provides a holistic view of your operations, enabling better decision-making and strategic planning. The future of MRP-II is bright, with endless possibilities for innovation and growth. Software advancements are making it even more powerful, enhancing its capabilities and applications. Imagine artificial intelligence optimizing your production schedules, reducing downtime, and increasing productivity. MRP-II is a journey of continuous improvement, constantly evolving to meet new challenges and opportunities. Embrace it and you'll be well positioned for success in the ever-evolving world of manufacturing, ready to tackle future challenges with confidence.
Thank you very much for watching full video. Please subscribe, like and share channel. PGK Kadam Academy.